Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm going to teach how to draw Sally Nani from Brawl Stars. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw a circular shape for her face. And from the lower left corner inside of that circular shape, I'm gonna trace the same outline along the edges all the way to the top corner right there. Inside of that, I'm gonna draw a line across in the middle point. Semicircle turn back to the right at this upper corner. Semicircle turn back downwards to the left, and semicircle turn back to the right at that point. Above her mouth, I'm gonna draw a small circular shape off center on the left side right there, and fill that in with black color. I'm gonna copy the same black circle on the right side. Below the circle, I'm gonna draw in the middle point an oval shape right there, and from the side of that oval shape at the upper corner on the right, a diagonal line upwards and out, curve line downwards, diagonal line inwards to the left and slightly upwards. Mirror the same shape on the left side right here. Surrounding the face, I'm gonna draw another bigger circular shape. And in between that bigger circular shape with the smaller circular shape, I'm gonna draw on the lower point at the side some diagonal curve line across. Like that. Another one right there. And another two more curve line at that corner. Mirror that same set of curve line on the right side. On the left side of that, I'm gonna draw a curve line diagonally downwards, semicircle turn inwards at this lower point, on the right side of that, I'm gonna draw a curve line downwards, diagonally to the right there, and from the same point, I'm gonna draw an arch curve line across to the right. A U curve line across from that corner to the right, turn it back upwards on the right side right there. On the right side of that, a curve line across to the right, curve line downwards, diagonally to the left and to the top of his legs. On the right side of that, a semicircle line outwards, turn it upwards on the right corner, diagonal line upwards above that, and semicircle turn to the side of his head right there. Now for his legs, I'm gonna draw a curve line across at the gap right there, turn it downwards at the outer corner on the right, and another one at the inner corner. Below that, a curve line across, turn it downwards on both sides, extend it a bit further at the inner corner on the left, semicircle turn to the right with a curve line, turn it diagonally upwards to the right, and from that point an arch curve line upwards, turn it to the left and downwards in the middle point right there. Turn it sideways to the right. From the lower left corner of the shoe, I'm going to draw a diagonal line upwards and to the right, an arch curve line across at that corner to the right. From the side of the shoe, I'm going to draw a line upwards and another line upwards at the outer corner on the right. I'm going to copy the same shape of the legs on the left side. At the lower right corner below the face, I'm going to draw a small circular shape at that corner right there, and another circular shape inside of that. Inside of that, I'm going to draw a line across in the middle point, and below that a U curve line across to the other side. Above that shape off center, I'm going to draw two small black circles right there. Now below that, I'm going to draw a curve line across right there, and I'm going to copy the same curve line on the left side. Now for her sleeve, I'm going to draw an arch curve line at the side of her head right there, turn it downwards on the right corner, a U-shaped turn to the side. On the right side of that, I'm going to draw her hand with a diagonal curve line at the upper corner, upwards and out, an arch curve line to the right, and turn it downwards, curve it back inwards at its lower point. A curve line across on her wrist, and below that, I'm going to draw a similar curve line at this corner, and another set of curve line at the inner corner on the left right here. I'm gonna copy the same shape of the sleeve on the left side right here. Now at the upper point of the sleeve, I'm gonna draw a curve line outwards to the left, another curve line slightly above that, semicircle turn downwards at the inner corner on the right. At the ending point on the left, I'm going to draw a circular line at that corner, and at the outer corner of that, I'm going to draw another similar circular shape, and I'm going to leave a gap on the left side of that circular shape. And at that gap, I'm going to draw a small rectangular shape. And on the left side of that rectangular shape, I'm going to draw a circular shape at that corner right there. And on the right side of that, at the upper corner, an arch curve line right there, and a smaller one inside of that. I'm going to copy that same set of arch curve line at this lower point right here. Inside of that bigger circular shape, in the middle point, I'm going to draw a circular shape right there, a small dot inside of that, and a line to the left, branch it upwards and downwards on the lower point. On the right side of that whole thing, I'm going to draw two small dots at that corner. On the right side of that, I'm going to draw a curve line diagonally downwards to the left, and from that point a curved line across to the lower part of her sleeve. At the outer corner of that arm, at this lower point, I'm going to draw a curved line outwards, semicircular turn upwards. Along the wristband, I'm going to draw a diagonal line across right there. And I'm gonna copy the same shape of her hand right there. Curved line across on her wrist. A few curved line in between the wristband and the sleeve right here. And for her cap, I'm gonna draw on the top right corner of her head an arch curved line across, turn it downwards. Another curved line inside of that right there, and above that I'm gonna draw a diagonal line from the side, semicircular turn upwards, across to the left, turn it back downwards, and a curved line across inside of that in the middle point. And finally, I'm gonna draw a thick line along the outer edges. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.